Hi guys, it's Edwina again. I've got a bit of a cold, but that shouldn't really make much difference. I will be singing for you I Heard the Church Bell Rings, which is from Cadillac Records as well. I really do like that movie, you may have noticed. Alright, watch all my other videos. Thank you, bye. I heard church bells ring. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle. On her finger he placed a ring. Oh, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard them promise till death do us part. Each word was a pain in my heart. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. And now the wedding is over. The rites have been thrown over their heads. To them, life has just begun, but mine has had.